At UPES, we believe that your thirst for in-demand skills and a successful career is what sets you apart from the rest. Introducing EDGE, our Enhanced Development, Growth and Enrichment program. EDGE is a platform for limitless possibilities. It supports students in their chosen field with a focus on key action areas such as entrepreneurship, exam pathways and employability, and opens them to a wide array of activities that are designed to help them excel professionally. With a right mix of workshops and training programs, EDGE prepares you to face any professional challenge head-on. By nurturing you with comprehensive training, EDGE helps you stand out from the rest with added advantage in competitive examinations. With a variety of benefits pouring in, EDGE transforms you into a future-ready and specialized workforce. That's not all. Our Global Immersion program gives you ample exposure and paves your way to higher education across international boundaries to become a global specialist. Plus, there's always someone to guide and mentor you with all things career-related. So, if you're looking for a university that offers you purpose beyond just degrees, look no further.